Hello, this video will show you how to look at your online glossary. So first, make sure you log into ClassLink, find your Discovery Education app, go ahead and click on it. It will take you to your main page of your book. So you have a few options once you get here. You can scroll down to where it says Techbook, Science Techbook in this area, and you can click on it. Or you can go into the top right and you have a little menu. You can click on that and click on Science Textbook. Since I'm here, I'll click there. So once I click on it, I want to make sure I'm on the right grade. So for example, Erin is showing California 6. She's not in 6th grade, so she will come to this drop-down menu and she will click on 7th grade. Always do the enhanced version, it's the most updated. Go ahead and click there. So here on the, let me move this, in the right hand side there is a little book and it says Glossary. Click on that. And then you have the 7th grade science glossary here. You can also, if you want to search by concept, or if you just want to go ahead and type in the word, I will type in the word biotic. Click it. Down here, the search result will pop up, so I'll click on biotic. And it gives you a couple things. So it gives you a video, if you would like to look at a short video. If you click on details, it gives you the definition, which is right here. All of the living parts of an ecosystem. It also gives you a little bit of information about root words. Again, there's a couple other videos for you to look at. And there's also an image. All of you know you do have to have images for your vocabulary, so you can always use one of these images if you would like for your vocabulary. Remember, you also have your glossary in the back of your workbook that you should have a hard copy of, so you can choose to use either one. Thank you for watching.